Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the fallen hello portrait. It's a trending AI photo style that looks super cinematic and mysterious. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then once you're in, just go to tools sections, and then once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana. Nano Banana is Google news feature that lets you edit or generate images instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. You can use any clear portrait photo where your face is visible, clearly visible, and then just tap on plus button to upload your photo like this. And then once uploaded, let's type in a prompt. It's the magic part of this video. Let's writing the prompt. But before, I have already made a prompt like this, one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt exactly, like just screenshot it and then use the Google Lens to copy the prompt and then paste it to your prompt box like this. You can screenshot it. But if you want to tweak the prompt, it's feel free to customize it however you like. But you can also tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles, to match your details that you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then I will go back to Gemini, paste the prompt and then generate. And okay, like this. Wow, just look at this result. It looks like a cinematic movie poster, mysterious, elegant, and powerful at the same time. Next, if you satisfied with the result, just save it directly to your phone. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just created your own fallen halo portrait using Google Gemini. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.